Hey everyone, my name is Chris. I'm the Technical Director of Community Influencer Academy, the world's largest online learning community for real estate agents. In this video, I'll show you how to update your meta description for a WordPress site using Rank Math SEO. When I Google our website using the real estate Orange County search term, I'm seeing the following meta description, which is not optimized for Google search rankings. Let me show you. When I Google our website using the following search term, I'm seeing this meta description here. The problem with this one is that you don't see the button because it's something that we have inside the page, so it's not good for our meta description and it's not optimized for Google search rankings. Here's what it's supposed to look like. When I have this search term, you can see that Zillow, Realtor, and Redfin has the following meta descriptions. Zillow has X homes for sales in Orange County, CA, view listing photos, review sales history, and use our detailed real estate filters to find the perfect. You have Realtor here with homes for sale in Orange County, have a median listing of home price for this price. We have Redfin with instantly search and view photos of all homes for sales in Orange County, CA now. Orange County real estate listings updated every 15 to 30 minutes. All of these websites have an actionable summary on what to expect when you click on their links, and this is why they're ranking at the top page for this keyword here, real estate Orange County. Before I show you how to update the meta description right here, I'll start by answering the following questions. First, what is a meta description? The meta description is an HTML tag that you can set for each page or post in your website. It should summarize the content inside the search term link and helps you convince someone to visit your website. Google shows the meta description beneath your pages or post title in the search results. Before we proceed, you might be wondering, why does the meta description matter? A meta description's main purpose for search engine optimization is to get people on Google and other search engines to click on your link. It basically increases your click-through rate or CTR, which is a metric that Google and other search engines use to rank your website higher or even put it in the first page of the search results. Once you optimize your meta description and more people click on it, your page or post will be considered as a great search result, which is the basis for your search ranking positions here. Unfortunately, there is no guarantee that Google or other search engines will display the description that you've written or update this immediately. But once it does, adding this to your post or page is always worth the effort. So now let's go to what makes a good meta description for search engine optimization. So right now, I'm on a word counter website right here. We have the following call to action copy. So according to Yoast, here are the 7 things that you should watch out. So first off, you should keep it up to 155 characters. So you can see here that we only have 145. Second is you should use an active voice for this one. Third is you should include a call to action. Fourth is to use your focus key phrase. So since this one is for a real estate page, we should have the real estate keyword right here. Fifth is to show specifications as needed, so you would want all the necessary details here. Sixth is to make sure it matches the content of the page, so your site visitors won't be disappointed when they click on your link. And seventh is to make it unique. So as you can see here, we have instantly search and view photos of all homes for sale in Orange County, CA now. Orange County, CA real estate listings updated every 15 minutes. It uses an active voice. We have a call to action, which is to search and view photos for homes here. We use our focus key phrase, which is Orange County and real estate. We've shown specifications when needed, so we update this website every 15 minutes. We made sure that this copy matches the content of a real estate page. And lastly, this is unique for this page, and it's a bit different from what you will see in other websites for the same search term. Now that you understand what's a meta description, why it matters, and what makes a good one, we're now ready to implement. I'm going to show you how to update your Google meta description for your real estate website using WordPress with Rank Math SEO. I will walk you through 2 methods. First is the Elementor method, which is unique to the theme that we are currently using for our website, which is yourorangecounty.com. And second is I'll also show you the classic WordPress Gutenberg block editor method. Let's start. So for the Elementor method, the first step is to log in to our WordPress admin backend. We do this in two ways. So first, if you're using WP Engine, log in here, go to Sites in your left pane, so this logo right here, find your environment or your website, and then click the WP admin here just across your environment name. Here we are. Alternatively, if you want to log in directly, just add /wp-admin at the end of your site URL, like this. So I'll go ahead, /wp-admin here. You'll be asked for your email address and password, and once you do that, you should be redirected to the same page right here. Now that you're here, go to the post or page that you would want to update. In my case, it will be a page called Real Estate, so I'll go ahead and find it. So for the first method, the Elementor one, I'll go ahead and find Real Estate first, and then click on where it says Edit with Elementor. Once you're here, click on SEO on your left pane, and then click on where it says Edit Snippet. Scroll down until you find description here, and this is where you would be writing or pasting your meta description. So I have our copy on a word counter here. I'll go ahead and copy this. And then paste it here. We can confirm here that this call to action copy has 145 characters, and you will see that this is what will appear as a description when this post shows up in the search results, particularly Google, Bing, and others. Feel free to click anywhere outside as this will just autosave. You can check by clicking on Edit Snippet, scroll down, and this should have been saved here. Finally, to save your changes, just click on Publish or Update here. If you're not ready to have this page or post appear on the web yet, you can click on this drop down and select Save Draft instead. Alright? I'll click this one here. Do note that Google search algorithm can take at least 4 days to update your data on their end. This can be much longer, so there's no guarantee when your updated meta description will be reflected on the search results. And that's how to update your meta description with Rank Math SEO for the Elementor method. Now let's go ahead to the second method using the WordPress editor, particularly the Gutenberg block. As an example, we'll be updating the meta description for our homepage here. So you can see we currently have get information about the best events, restaurants, shopping, activities, and real estate in Orange County, CA. Click here to experience the best of OC with this copy right here. Orange County real estate agent sharing my favorite insider events, secret menus, and hot properties. Live, work, or play in OC. Get a list of fun events delivered weekly. The first step for the second method is to log in to your WordPress admin backend. So I went over the 2 steps here in the first Elementor method. Feel free to review that. Once you're here, go to the page or post that you would want to update. So since I'll be updating our homepage, I'll go ahead to Pages here. I'll scroll down and find Home, this one. And this time, I'll click on Edit. All the settings that you see here in the right pane is called the Gutenberg block. So you can go ahead and click on this Rank Math SEO score. The next step is to click on Edit Snippet. Scroll down until you see Description. Grab your copy, so we have it here. Paste it here. Alright, we can see that this call to action currently has 168 characters. So we would want that to be around 155 or less than 160 based on Rank Math SEO suggestion. So I'll just go ahead and remove this for now. And we should be good to go. So feel free to click on this X icon here as it will autosave. So you can check by clicking on Edit Snippet again, scroll down. So we see this copy here. Finally, to save your changes here, just click on Save Here, Publish or Update. If you can see a save draft here in the center, you can also do that if you're not ready for your post or page to appear in the web. Just don't forget to click on Save Here, and you'll be good to go. You can see the status here that has been updated. That's it for the second method. If you want to know how we installed and set up Rank Math SEO in order to update our meta description and more, we actually teach that inside the course called SEO to Commissions offered inside the Community Influencer Academy. If you want access to our entire real estate marketing system, including our community influencer theme, and our website in a weekend course here, which teaches you how to build out a real estate website from scratch that is compatible with IDX, CRM, and more, you can check the description box below for the links. That's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more real estate tech tips. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.